This is the ITEL Vista Tab 30 GT and ito yung mga kasama niya sa box. In terms of display, 11-inch Full HD Plus resolution with 90Hz refresh rate and IPS LCD panel. Performance-wise, it comes with Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, so kayang i-handle yung ML and HOK, along with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. Good enough for office work, light games, and entertainment. You can also multitask dahil supported yung split screen. About naman sa cameras, both 8MP yung front and back, and ito yung sample. Sa battery, 7,000 mAh capacity and 10 watts yung charging speed. So matagal naman siyang malobat. Ang downside lang, matagal din mag-charge. Regarding sa OS, Android version 15 and pwede mo din siyang lagay ng SIM card if ever. Meron din tong speaker on both sides na decent yung sound quality. Lastly, with keyboard and stylus pen ng kasama. So less hassle for typing or even drawing.